Hello guys, welcome back to my channels, and today I'm going to show you how to put checkmark symbol on your Facebook or on your YouTube channel, like on YouTube name or Facebook group name. You can add your checkmark symbol. Let me show you how to add the checkmark symbol. So open your Google Chrome and you have to search checkmark symbol. Okay, you just write checkmark symbol and there will be a lot of checkmark symbol here. Just scroll down and you just click here, checkmark symbol, all caps. Okay, you just click here. Yes, it will show up here, so you can choose. There are a lot of checkmark symbol here. You can choose anyone, which one you like. So once you click on this, the first one, it's already copy. Okay, it's already copy, and you can paste on this symbol text box. Just click here, just paste. It will come up here, the checkmark. And so here, this checkmark, how to put on your Facebook and Facebook group and all. Let me show you. Okay, so I just log in the Facebook, and I will just show you the symbol, how to add the symbol. Okay, so if you want to create a group, if you want to put the symbol mark on your Facebook group name, or this day here the YouTube channel name, YouTube policies has changed, so it is difficult to add on your YouTube the checkmark symbol. But I'll just try and show you is it working or not. But for the Facebook, I'll just show you right now. So just go to click create a group. Okay, group name, just write ABC just group. Okay, ABC group, add some person. I'll just show you ABC group, name of the group, and you just type it the name. Okay, and after that you go to, I'll just add this one, the gray mark. Okay, it's already copy, and I just add here, paste it. Right, it come up the checkmark symbol. And if you want this, just drag it. I'll just remove this one. I think this will be better. Yes, the checkmark came up, and I'll just create the group. Now the group name is ABC group, and the checkmark, the green checkmark, is over here. I just paste it. So likewise, like I do, you can just go to this. I'll just paste the link in the description below. You guys can go and check out. You just go through the link and just copy. And if you want to edit, just go to Facebook group and rename the name, and you can add the symbol on the last part, or wherever you want to put, in the middle or in the last part you can add. So here now, let me taste on the YouTube. Okay, I'll just try on the YouTube. Last time I tried, but it's not working, but this time I'll just try for you guys. I just opened the YouTube, and I already logged in my account, and I'm going to go to manage Google account, personal information, and I'm going to, what is it here, name. Okay, go to rename the last name. So if you mark, I'll put the green mark. Last time I tried, but it's not working. But now let me see. I'll just show you, is it this is working or not. I'm just trying to show you guys. But for the Facebook is working. So if those who are looking for the check mark for the Facebook, you can try. It's working. So some character are not allowed. So on YouTube, last time some guys are using on YouTube, but that one is like old version maybe from the last time they are using. So this time the YouTube policy has been changed, so you cannot edit. But for the Facebook, you can try this. Just rename the group, and you can add on the last. So it's already checkmark here. So that's it, guys. This is for today. I just want to show you how to add it will take only a second. Just go to the link and just copy the symbol mark, go to your Facebook group and you can add the check mark. So that's it. So I just want to show you this part only. So thank you so much for watching, and if you do like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for the next upcoming video. Thank you guys.